bird was sitting in a tree. I need a friend to sing with me. Another bird came by to sing. Now two little birds were sitting in a tree. Two little birds were sitting in a tree. We need a friend to sing on key. Another bird came by to sing. Now three little birds were sitting in a tree. Three little birds were sitting in a tree. We need a friend to sing on key. Another bird came by to sing. Now four little birds were sitting in a tree. Four little birds were sitting in a tree. We need a friend to sing on key. Another bird came by to sing. Now five little birds were sitting in a tree. Five little birds were sitting in a tree. All five birds sang off key. The birds flew away unable to sing. One lonely bird still stayed in the tree.